Question 11, we have this curve here and we want to find out the derivative of this. K is a positive constant. So, let me rewrite here y is equal to k square root of 4x plus 1 minus x plus 5, right. So, differentiating, we have dy over dx, k is a constant, and as this is square root that is half will come over here, then this 4x plus 1 power half, then minus 1 the derivative, and then we will take this 4 over here, derivative of 4 by the chain rule, then minus 1 plus 0, right. So, now this 2 and 2 it cancelled with 4. So, we have here 2k in bracket we have 4x plus 1 power negative half minus 1. So, this is the required derivative. So, this is our answer. Okay. So, now let us move to next question. Find the x coordinate of the stationary point. So, for the stationary point, you know that differentiation of the curve should be 0. So, dy dx gradient is 0. So, we will take from the equation from here, that is 2k, we have 4x plus 1 power negative half minus 1, this is equal to 0. Now, we are going to simplify this for x to get the x coordinate. So, this will be 2x, this can come 2k, this can come down over here 4x plus 1 power half, because it is negative half, and then 1 goes to the side. So, cross multiply, 2k is going to be 4x plus 1 power half. Now, squaring both sides, 2k squared, then this square root will get cancelled from here. So, it will be 4x plus 1, right. So, then we have here 4k square is equal to 4x plus 1. We are looking for x. So, 4k is equal to 4k squared minus 1 over 4 over 4. So, our final answer is going to be k is equal to 4k squared minus 1 over 4. So, this is the answer, because we are just looking for x coordinate. So, you will leave it over here. Now, part C, given that k is 10.5, find the equation of the normal to the curve. K is 10.5, we are looking for equation of the normal to the curve at point where the tangent makes an angle of tan inverse 2 with positive x axis. So, now as we are given that angle theta is tan inverse 2. So, from here we can do, when you bring tan other side, it will become tan theta is equal to 2. So, what is tan theta? Tan theta, actually we are looking here for the right angle triangle. If this is x and this is y coordinate, so always theta is, if this is angle theta, tan theta is y over x. Basically, it is change in y over change in x. So, it is the gradient. So, that is what you need to figure out. That is the hardest part, that you need to get this. If you got this, then you have a clue to do that. Now, from equation 1 we have previous part, first part we have dy over dx is, it is 2k into 4x plus 1 power negative half minus 1, this was equal to 2. So, now substituting k we have 10.5. So, 2 times 10.5 into 4x plus 1 and power negative half, this will become 3, then 4x plus 1 power negative half, this is 3 over this comes out to be 21. So, 3 over 21. So, once you solve this one, so we can write it down, 4x plus 1 half is equal to 1 over 7. Now, cross multiply, this actually is a square root. So, I am writing it as a square root of 4x plus 1 when you cross multiply here, and then equals to 7. So, squaring both sides, we will have 4x plus 1 equals to 49, 7 square, and 4x is equal to 48, and x is going to be 12. So, we got x as 12. So, once we have value of x, we can take the curve y, this one, and substitute the values here. So, our y is now y is equals to k into 4x plus 1 square root minus x plus 5. So k is 10.5 and 4 times x is 12 plus 1 minus 12 plus 5, right? So this is 10.5. Just calculate this comes out to be 66.5. So our coordinate is now 12 and 66.5, right? So we are looking for the equation of the normal. So I will do it over here. Equation of the normal. So as we have the gradient of the curve was 2, right? From here dy, we had this dy dx as 2. Where is it? It's here. So we have the gradient is 2. So gradient of the normal is going to be negative half, right? So equation of the normal will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We have the coordinates of x and y here down. We're just going to substitute. So y minus y1 is 66.5 and m is negative half, and x minus x1 is 12, right? So from here we can have y minus 66.5 equals to half x plus 12. So y is negative half x equals to 12 plus 66.5, right? So this is negative half x. This is going to be 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 78.5. So that is the equation of the normal. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Be blessed, guys.